In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do spot trading on Binance, a complete guide for beginners. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be comfortable navigating the Binance platform to execute your own spot trades. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Binance app on your device. Once you have it open, navigate to the trade section, and here you'll see the option to switch to the spot tab. Spot trading is essentially the act of buying and selling cryptocurrencies at the current market rate, and it's crucial to ensure you're in the right section to access these features. Next, you need to select a trading pair. On Binance, a trading pair involves two different currencies, such as BTC USDT. The first part of the pair is what you are trading, and the second part is what you are trading it for. You can easily search for and select your preferred trading pair on the interface. Let's say you choose BTC USDT, which means you'll be trading Bitcoin for Tether. Once you've chosen your trading pair, it's time to decide on the order type you'd like to use. There are several options available: market, limit, and stop limit. A market order allows you to buy or sell immediately at the current market price, offering speed and convenience. A limit order, on the other hand, lets you set a specific price at which you'd like to purchase or sell, which gives you control over the price but requires patience, as you'll need to wait for the market to reach that level. Lastly, the stop limit order adds a bit more complexity by setting conditions that trigger the trade execution, providing sophisticated control over your trades. With your order type selected, you can enter the amount you want to buy or sell. Whether you're buying or selling, clarity on this step is vital to ensure the correctness of your transaction. Double check your figures to avoid any financial mishaps. Once you're satisfied with all entered details, go ahead and tap either the buy or sell button to place your order. The confirmation of a clicked button indicates an active engagement in the trading market, so ensure all the previous steps are thoroughly reviewed before proceeding. After placing your order, you might wonder how to stay updated on its status. For this, you'll need to track your orders in either the Open Orders or Order History tab. The Open Orders tab allows you to see any trades that haven't been completed yet, whereas the Order History tab provides a record of all your past trades. This is an excellent way to keep track of your trading activity. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to spot trading on Binance. With these steps, you're now ready to successfully trade cryptocurrency on one of the biggest platforms in the world. Remember, as with any investment, it's wise to proceed with caution and make informed decisions. Happy trading.